So alright guys, so morning guys. So guys, today's date is this is 20th of August 2025. So guys, still on the trading vlog. So as you can see on the screen guys, this is GBP USD, the 4 hours time frame. Now we already know that yes, GBP USD has been an uptrend for a very long time. So it's to continue the bullish run, which is taking out the buy side liquidity, you know what I mean. So with what I'm seeing here, I'm expecting buys to come in. So now I've gotten a good clear confirmation, so I will take this trade very soon. Now the reason why I'm taking this trade is to show you the experience of trading, you know what I mean, the movement and everything, how trading is, everything you hear, at least you know what I'm talking about, you understand me. So without me not just wasting much of our time, let's just get straight into the business. So as you can see, this structure now, GBP USD has been an uptrend for a very long time. So now with this pullback that came into this place, this is a very corrective pullback, which is telling you that okay, yes, right now sellers are not really yet into this market, buyers, they are still in control. So now why am I about to take this trade? Because this was the first break of structure, second break of structure. Now this is inducement has been taken already. This second break of structure, this is liquidity has been swept from this area. And now change of character has occurred. Let me go down to 1 hour time frame. Let me show you. Now change of character has occurred already. There was a break of structure from here. There was a break from here, and now there was a change from here. So I'm expecting a pullback down to this area before I will buy. You understand me? And now why am I having that conviction that okay, yes, price wants to move up? Because now there's this impulsiveness of the way candlestick broke this high. As you can see, there's an impulsiveness of the way buyers came into the market is very, very aggressive. So they took out this buy side liquidity here. So which is saying that okay, yes, buyers now they are falling into the market. So I will just have to, or I think I will get in this trade. Let me just trigger this trade. Let me enter in front of you guys. So I believe you guys can see it on your screen. So I believe you guys can see it on your screen now. Okay. So let me trigger this trade now. GBP USD. I'm gonna enter buy with 0.1. No, use 0.08. Yeah, buy. And let me set my SL. Oh, 0.08 is too small. 0.08 is too small. Okay. So this will be 25. Come on. I think 25 will be better. I'm trying to calculate my risk management. That's why. Because normally in one trade, I do risk $50 to get 150 in one trade. So most of the times I use limits to take my trade. I've no execution. I don't do execution like that. So that's why I'm trying to calculate very hard to get this one. Okay, 25. Okay, let me leave it 25. But this stop loss is too tight under this low. It's too tight. I don't like tight stop loss like this. Because now if I'm doing it 25, so it has to be, I will have to open another position again. So 25 is going to make it 50. So okay, let's leave it. Let's just see how this is just going to run. Let me hit another position again. SL, say 25. Okay. So TP 25 times 3, that will be 75. Okay. then another 75 again. 75. And 75. Leave it. So this is at least $1 Jara. So let's just see how this is just gonna play out, man. You know what I mean? So as you can see, okay, so these are the trades. So let's see. So let me go down to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. I will call this signal in my Telegram group. Let me put my position because this is the place I will use it to be monitoring this trade. Yeah. So this is it. So let's see how this is just gonna run. The reason why I entered this trade, liquidity has been swept, inducement has been swept already. Yes, everything is swept already. So that's why I entered. And change of character with an impulsive move. So let's just see how this is just gonna go. So guys, let's hold on and let's see. Okay, I think they have profit already. Okay, profit. Nice. Let's just see. Oops. Nice. See, this is trading, man. You see, we're even lucky because immediately after entering the position, it's just some profit. Because most of the times, that's to be on loss before. You know what I mean? To be on loss, to play. But let's just see how this is just gonna go, because this is gonna take days before it's gonna hit this tip. It's gonna take like days, so it's gonna take maybe like 3 to 4 days or a week, depends. You understand? Because I'm a swing trader and I trade higher time frame. So before price will get it's going to take like 2 to 3 days. So guys, I'll just be updating you guys on how the trade is going. You know what I mean? So every day by day. But I think for this, I will be done for today with this. So let me just wait for like a few minutes. I'm just for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And today's vlog is going to be over. Then I will see you guys tomorrow on the trade. So I'll update you guys tomorrow on the trade. So let's just see. At least the profit is making sense. Nice. Like I got in very well. Alright guys, you know what time it is. So see you guys tomorrow on this trade. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. One love. See you guys at the top, man. Chee! Alright guys, morning guys. So as you can see, today's date is 21 of August 2025. So guys, as you can see, we were stopped out from this trade. And I hope you guys are seeing it on the screen. Yes, we were stopped at GBPUSD. You know, yesterday it was actually running in profit, and I think maybe we came in very early. As you can see, it's stop loss. But you know one thing that I always do that I love myself for? This is why I'm always telling most of you to always understand price action. So when you understand price action, you know the way the candlestick, the way they move, the ability for you to read candlestick and say, okay, yes, between buyers and sellers, who is the control? Bro, you will know when to get out of this market, you will know when to get in. there's one thing I love myself. As you can see on the screen now, if you look at my losses now, you see that okay, I closed them in $16. Immediately when I saw price misbehaving, I had to get off the trade. I was seeing Jangos. I had to leave. I know I like to hit my stop loss. Normally I do risk $50 to get 150. So I left the trade. In fact, let me even show you guys my it's just that this week is just bad. Market is just rough. Let me show you guys last month's trading. Let me put it in custom from August 1st to now. August 1st to today. See, I'm in profit, $243. First week I hit 150 my TP. As you already know. I hit 150. Second week I hit BTC 60 and 60 again. Then GPS this one closed me in this same buy. I entered this buy before. As at this area, I think I entered this buy here. So I was targeting this area with my SL like this inside last week. So when price got to this area, and I said break even under this place. So that was how price took me out from there. Price took me out break even. So that was why this $20 I got this $20. Then Euro GBP I took this one last week because today is just Thursday. I'll be on Monday. Yeah, I think what's the date? That's on 19. Okay, on Monday. I took this one on Monday. So immediately when I saw that price was just misbehaving, I just get off the trade. I closed it myself. That's one thing I love myself. I know how to minimize my losses. And I know how to maximize my win. That's why I'm a smart with the trader. So what I just feel is that I think we got in too early because normally this is our 4 hours order block. You see, I was supposed to enter from here, the buy. But do you know what I'm thinking? For now, I don't want to trade. The only reason I have to trade is when I see that okay, yes, I see a bullish run. That price moves like this and takes out that high, and with a little pullback like this, then I will enter from here and swing. I'm telling you guys, for now I'm not trading again. If I don't see this thing on this screen, on this structure, I'm not trading. I'll just say okay, yes, this price just move like this, palm. Just take out this structure here as a change of character. I'll just wait for a small pullback, then I will enter from here. I will keep you guys updated. But what I just think is that we entered too early, so we were stopped at. For me, I had to more. I deleted the trade. I closed it by myself. I don't have that. It's not me that they want to collect my money. I know that yes, trading is risk. Once you put your stop loss, some of you say Shineda, that you're not disciplined. Why is it not risk? You have already risked $50. You allow it to hit $50. It's not me. It's not me. I will not allow you to hit $50. If I'm reading the price action, it's not in my way. I know how to get at. For those of you that will ask that question, because I know most of you, some of you are very, very silly. So I know how to. If I'm seeing price action that I'm not supposed to be seeing, I will leave. And the funny thing is that when I left this trade, they all went to my SL. So imagine that I left it. At least that minus 16 plus 16. That's 12. Yes, 12, then 30. Okay, that's 30. That's 32. Abi? Yes, 32. 32 now, okay, minus 50 minus 32. That will give you like that's like 18. So I have $18 free. Is it Abi to Abi 18 years, Abi? I never know again mathematics self. At least I have $18 free that I did not risk. It's because I'm smart. That's why I'm a smart trader. So it is what it is. Let's just see how this is just going to play out, because right now I'm not going to lie, my psychology is down because market structure is very, very bad this period. The condition of the market is very, very bad. So man, it is what it is. But if I'm not seeing this structure like this, if price does not move like this and take this high, bro, I'm not buying this market. I'll just stay off. So guys, without me not just saying a lot of things, let's just see how this is just going to play out. You know what I mean? We are stopped at from this first one, but let's see. See you guys in my next video. Peace out, man. So guys, alright guys. So guys, as you can see, this is after 9. This is about 9:27. So I'm just coming back from work. I'm I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie, man. But it is what it is. That's just a jungle. So as you can see on your screen, okay. So as you can see, in the morning that I was expecting price to do like this, I just have to take out this change of character, this high, and pull back a little and go like this. But guys, it is what it is. Price just failed. So price just kept on going down. So guys, it is what it is. I don't know why most of the times trading is just one way or the other. Emotions will just be up and down, moving from one place to another, but it is what it is. Now what's going to happen is that I think sellers are in charge in this market, but for now I'm not going to trade. I am not going to trade anything. If I want to trade anything now from here now, I'll be selling. But we need to observe this structure and do a top-down analysis to see what's happening. But there's something I observe. Let me show you guys before I end this vlog. Now let's go down to our weekly time frame. 1 week. Now weekly time frame. If you see this weekly time frame, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it all. If you see this weekly time frame, okay, I think it's on more clearer. Now if you see this weekly time frame, you see that price has been on uptrend. Is it uptrend or downtrend? What was uptrend? Downtrend. Price is selling. So now if you observe now, there was all this minor break here, minor break. Then now with a pullback, now price came all the way down to take out this structure. So there was a break of structure from here. So we expect a pullback and swept this inducement area and tap into this other block here. And tap into this other block. Then before price drop again, price also took out this structure. And now with retracement back to this other block. So if you see on the weekly time frame, price is already selling, which is taking out the sell side liquidity already. So if you go to okay, let me even connect this trend. Let me see if it's going to connect. Oh, the trend even connected. Wow. First trend, second trend, and third trend. And as you can see now, price is not selling. Price is selling. Price has tapped into the area and now it's dropping. So for now, I'm not sure if I'm going to buy again. I'll be looking at CS for now, but I need a good clear confirmation. So let's go down to 1 month time frame. Daily, 1 day. I think sellers are in control right now, but we need to wait for a good clear confirmation first to see what they are doing. Now this move that price came to this down here is more like
from TikTok. Like investor replied to your comment. See my Corso OO.
Good. So it's more like a trap. So moved up and now it's not coming down. So let's just see. But for now, I think I'm just going to be selling. So what's going to happen, guys, is that I'm going to do a top-down analysis during the week for all the pairs that I'm trading. So you should know what you are expecting the upper week or next 2 weeks. So I'm going to be dropping that video, I think maybe on Saturday or Sunday. But for now, I think this is the end of the vlog, because I was actually looking for buys on this setup, but sellers, they were telling me that they have strong ahead. So it is what it is, but thank God that I was able to manage my risk. At least you will learn something for this video. You will learn something in this video. I was able to manage my risk. I was able to cut down my risk with price action, reading just the candlestick. So it is what it is. I think this is just the end of this vlog. So I don't know, before I'm going to do a vlog again, I'm going to wait for a good setup, like a good setup that yes, I will trade, that will say okay, yes, this is what I know. I will enter it and we are going to experience, we're going to see how the experience is going to be, you know what I mean? So it is what it is, guys. Man, beg more leave matter for Matthias. See you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. One love.